All right, my friend, hack number 14 in this series. If you're liking this information, like I said before in previous videos, like this, share this, comment, so that the platform knows to show it to you more often or to show it to more people. It's going to help me out, boost the algorithm up for me, and help me to get exposure to more people and give more people this free information. So hack number 14 is going to be avoiding credit inquiries on a personal side. Look, Richard, I know we're talking about business credit. I know, but having too many inquiries on the personal side can also lower your business credit scores as well. So I'm going to tell you the difference between a hard inquiry and a soft inquiry because a lot of people don't know this. A hard inquiry is going to be when, for an example, you go to a dealership and they pull your credit for you to get a car. You're going to get like 10, 15, 20 inquiries. They're going to kill your credit score. I've had a client that came to us. We've completely cleaned all of the inquiries off the first month they were with us. When we uploaded their report again, they had 51 brand new inquiries because they went to try to apply for a car at 2 different places. 51 new inquiries, hard inquiries. Those hard inquiries drop your personal credit scores. Your personal credit scores on Experian can drop your business credit scores as well. So if you know, like I know, if you know the tips and the tricks, when you get an inquiry, a hard inquiry on the personal side for business funding, you can always remove that inquiry. Your personal scores go back up, your business scores go back up, and your profile looks a lot cleaner. Now, a soft inquiry is going to be when, for instance, you check your own personal credit. If you go online and you look at your own personal credit score, that's considered a soft inquiry. So it doesn't hurt your personal credit score. You can leave those. Those are not going to show up at all. You don't have to remove them, and they're not going to have any kind of effect to your score. But having hard inquiries, anybody else looking at your personal credit, using their software, pulling it, giving you a hard inquiry, will drop your credit score, and it will stay on your credit report for up to 2 years. So avoid personal inquiries if you can. If you do need to get them and it's on the business side, then you can always remove them. But if you're checking your own credit, it does not hurt your credit for you to check your own credit.